The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, big up and respect, Dancehall skilla there again, you see it? Manners and respect to each and every one of you, Alright, so I have a video I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show a female detained by police officers from the St. James Police Division within the country of Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. However, let's take a look at this video and see if we can get an understanding as to why the female had been detained. You see me? You can also let me know what you think overall about the video. Alright? Now, some harsh languages had been used in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yo, watch out, no bad man. Yo, how may I do this, sir? You can't do a woman like that, you idiot. You can't do a woman like that. Our woman that's not a bad man, you have a mother. Batty man, you have a mother. You have a mother, you. You know a bomb buckler mother, you're a batty man.
Yo,
you can't do a woman like that. Yo, hey, poop out that in the car and go away and go.
Everything, it's up on video.
You can't do a woman like that.
It's up on video, you know.
Batty man. You tell you man not a yard like that.
I want to hear that, you know.
Man not a yard, bad man. Yo, me tell you this straight up, bad man. For me mother that me da fire shot today and bomb buckler. Yeah, look a woman now send woman over here. Oi! Send woman over here, bad man. Go away and go. Yeah, look a big woman now, bad boy. It's a big woman, watch it. Look on that. A big woman that in a batty boy and have a mother. Down.
You want to be a pussy one, batty boy.
How is police boy say pussy a while ago?
Come on, tell me the dog.
And I'm yard me there now. And I'm yard me there now. Yeah, like police and blood. You know me yard?
Oh man, in a farm.
You could have sing a long time in the back in my farm.
You have a mother, bad man. You have a mother. Hey, we done it now, we done it now.
You know me yard?
You hurt, bad man.
Me tell you something what is that? No, me know why you tell me like. What one? He's a government yard. I tell him to you want me back on the ready? You could have walked on the song watch again. They're coming. Tell her to give me back them ready. You know, I'm on a shirt.
What's right there?
See, I'm talking me and it's tight, you know. I cut lyrics, you know. No, it's tight, it's from ever since. You know me yard.
No, you start to the woman. You start to the woman. A big woman, you know?
Alright. You know me yard.
A big woman, now look at my
Yeah, and it's a going to me yard, it's going to me yard.
Then they take it man put in like police. Peanut water.
The officer pushed me. He pushed me without getting that video, nothing. If my granddaughter wouldn't pick up, the officer pushed me. I pushed me on the ground without fight. Police officer, you're running some yard without a shirt. without a shirt. He come out here, so officer. He come out here, so. He come out here, so. And without, hold on there, without whatever, without
Nobody have mother woman with this, that big woman.
Me not fighting when you pay for friend of me.
I explain, I jam. You know, like if I
you want to transfer from us to come down here.
And the woman in the yard, brother. Look, them back up the van going in the woman in the yard.
In a yard, my youth. Hello, by right to come in a minute. Come in a road. No, he said something to me, and he said something, and he said, going on me.
Officer, you're human too, you know. You can look for certain things too, what man?
No, me come in, I said, going on me. Listen me, when you're talking, hello, officer. Officer.
Come round and stand on the other here, someone else
Hold
just
on,
on
you
the
know,
odds, man.
officer. See, a man for your talk, we can't give you a chance. When you tell me that the son are rude, why you misunderstand?
Police them now, what you not give about it.
And then you say, one in the yard, two in the yard. And when you say, give me a shirt, and Mr. Say, I'm saying I want a shirt, and you come to the yard.
No, attack him.
But in the afternoon, for him, I'm saying, out there, so.
But me not like this. Go trust me, man. Me not like if I
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to point out a few things that I saw in this video and some things that I think about when I take a look at this video and listen to some of the things that have been said in this video. You see me? See? Now the things that I'm about to tell you, viewers and subscribers, they are just my opinions and point of views according to the things that I saw in this video. They are not confirmed to be the truth. I'm just telling you what I think. See? Now, I noticed that the video had been recorded at night. You see me? And with the whole curfew hours that had been set for many days through a certain number of months within the country of Jamaica, right? And all of those curfew hours are set to prevent the spread of the COVID-19. So I noticed that this video had been recorded at night. So I am wondering if the female had been detained by the police because she was off her premises during curfew hours, or she was accused of not being in her house or on her premises during curfew hours. You see me? That's my opinion about that, you know, according to some of the things that I saw and heard in the video. See me? Now, me look at the police officers and me not see no mask. So me also wonder when this video had been recorded as well. You see me? Think about certain things, you know, you see me? Because me is the kind of person, I don't jump to conclusion and say, oh, the police, them arrest the woman because she never there in her yard. You see me? No, I'm not going to say that. However, according to some of the things that the female said, you see me, it seems as if she said that me did in my yard. Yeah? It seems as if she said that me did in my yard. You see me? I said to your viewers and subscribers. So them things that I look at, you see me? So, overall, I'm wondering if the female had been accused of not being in her house or on her premises during curfew hours within the country of Jamaica, you see me? So that's what I'm thinking, you see? I don't have any information if the female actually had been brought into police custody, you know. No, I don't. I don't know if the female had been brought to the police station and had been arrested or put in a jail cell or what. No, I don't know that, you see me? I'm just telling you what I think about some of the things that I saw and heard in that video that I just presented to you. You see? And you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think overall about that video as well. You see me I say? Alright? So, I hear some other left it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright? And until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! Skilla Entertainment.